Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. We're here with our general cleaning, or I'm sorry, it's a pet cleaning, and we're also doing a pet deodorizer on the couch and on the floor as well. So take a look with me. Here's the living room that we're doing. Just one room. And as you can see, we're putting on a pre-spray right now. And then we have the couch as well. So we're going to be doing this couch as well. We used the black light, so we didn't have any visible set-in stains. The customer did a great job cleaning them up after the pet went to the bathroom or had an accident. And so there's no set-in stains, but we are treating the entire area for the pet solution. All right, my name is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. Just want to show you this with our special pet brush. And look at this hair just coming right up. As you can see, there's hair right up here. I'm just brushing the area. And you see it just layering up. All right. And then we're going to go by and then we're going to suck all that up. You can see all that hair coming right up. And this is our pet cleaning that we're doing. So we're gonna get all that hair up out of here. Look at all that. That's just on one cushion. Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. I just got done doing a sweeping of the couch here. We're getting all the pet hair out. We normally get about 80% of the pet hair. The other 10 is about dander and just a little bit of ends left over. But this is just the pet hair that I worked out of the couch. I'm not sure what the flakes are around there, and that's why I got gloves on. But that's all the pet hair that I pulled out of the upholstery. So we're really cleaning and getting it down to the gritty here. Here we are agitating the sofa for the upholstery cleaning. We do this is part of our 7-step cleaning process. So this is one of the steps. And what we're doing is we're working the pre-spray into the fibers. So it's something like shampooing your hair. You work the shampoo in your hair and then you're gonna rinse it out. That's what we're doing. So just really working it in, getting it good. Making sure that the odorizer is gonna work into the fibers. And then we'll extract. All right, now we've moved on to our extraction process. You've seen the agitation, the pre-spray. Now it is extraction time. What we're doing is we're going over, as you can see, he's constantly going over the areas to make sure that we really agitate and extract all the dander, dirt, body oils, and food particles from out of the sofa. You can see the lines. We're going to get rid of those lines. We use a special process to get rid of those lines, and it's thoroughly clean. If we left the lines there, when it dries, they will still be there. And of course, that's not good. No one wants their couch to look like that. So here is the dirty water from the pet cleaning. Wow. So we did this whole area, that base thing, I forget, head sock, and then this living room and also the couch. And that's all the water that came out of it. Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. We're finished with the pet cleaning here. One room and the couch upholstery. So check out the room, or here it is, the floors. They look great. It smells really good in here. Those foot marks, we'll get rid of those before we leave. And as you can see, we're grooming the couch right now. Final step. What that does is that releases the fibers and allows them to dry at a more efficient rate. All right, stay tuned.